What do you think? Learning transport of materials in flowering plant, is it possible without knowing the structure of stem and root? The simple answer is no. I am Shomil Lashkar here, Faculty of Biology, HURDCO International School. Let's learn together. Okay, this is a common structure of stem. The outer ring here is epidermis and the cone-shaped structure is vascular bundle, and as you can see it has total 3 segments. The outer one is phloem, the middle one is cambium, and the inner one is xylem. And in between this vascular bundle and epidermis, this is cortex. This region is cortex. And the center part of stem is pith. Here we have more details about different parts of stem. Epidermis. The stem is covered by an outermost layer of cells called epidermis. Cells are compactly arranged without intercellular space and chloroplast. So in epidermis, the cells are compactly arranged, compactly packed, and there is no intercellular space and no chloroplasts. The epidermis is externally covered by thick cuticle to prevent evaporation of water, and cuticle is made up of waxy substance. Now cortex. Cortex is present between the epidermis and the vascular bundle. It stores starch. That means this is an organ, a part of plant where plant can store their food. Vascular bundle. Vascular bundles is composed of phloem and xylem with a strip of cambium in between them. So we can say that vascular bundle equal to phloem plus cambium plus xylem. Phloem lies outside of the vascular bundle and xylem lies inner side. Cambium is a thin strip of cells between xylem and phloem. Cambium cells can divide and differentiate to form new xylem and phloem tissues. So when needed, this cambium cell can be divided and differentiated into phloem and xylem. Pith. Pith occupies the central part or central portion of the stem. Pith helps in the storage of food materials. So the function of pith and cortex is almost same. They store the food molecules for plant. This is the internal structure of dicot root. Here, this is vascular tissue where xylem and phloem are not bundled together. The red one is xylem and the green one is phloem. This is cortex. The outer ring is piliferous layer. This is the epidermis and this is root hair. And this ring is endodermis. Okay, this is another structure of root. This is root hair, and this portion where root hair are present is zone of maturation, then zone of elongation, and last one is root cap. This is the cortex, and this one is xylem, this is phloem, this is epidermis, and this is endodermis, and this is epidermis. Epidermis, it is the outermost layer of root. Each root hair is an outer growth of the epidermal cell of the root. Cuticle and stomata are absent. So, in root, the epidermis contain root hair. Okay, and there is no cuticle and stomata in epidermis of root. Cortex, it is a multi-layered large zone which stores food and water. That means the function of cortex in root and stem is the same. It stores food. Vascular bundle. In the dicotyledonous root, the xylem and phloem are not bundled together. So this is the difference between the vascular bundle of root and the vascular bundle of stem. In stem, xylem and phloem are bundled together, but in root, xylem and phloem are not bundled together. Xylem lies the center and phloem lies outside. Same thing, piliferous layer. The epidermis of root bearing root hairs is called piliferous layer. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.